Hi, I'm a COVID frontline worker wearing multi-layers of protections every day. I use Honeywell UVEX as my protection shield. I like it a lot, but I really need more air to breathe. This is a DIY ventilation system I have developed for your reference and your consideration. Maybe you can develop something similar to that. Or if you want me to make one for you, just let me know. UVEX can be used in many occasions. A bit more ventilation can always help. Stay safe and healthy, and I wish you a great day. Bye bye.